Greetings, fellow knowledge seekers. We're back with another episode of Tips and Tricks. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm Christian Sorensen, Learning Strategist at Planet Technologies. In this edition, we're going to focus on PowerPoint, the Microsoft application that empowers you to present like a pro. PowerPoint has numerous tools to help you tell your story, and today we're going to feature the Design Ideas tool. This is one of the coolest and most practical uses of AI that I've seen. PowerPoint will actually help you choose attractive and relevant layouts automatically. Let's take a look at how simple it can be to create eye-catching professional slides with Design Ideas. We'll start with a blank slide and add in some text. You'll see that PowerPoint is already generating design ideas. You can scroll through and try out any that you see that you like. If you'd like to see more design ideas, simply click the See More Design Ideas button at the bottom. It'll give you plenty of options, and you can feel free to play around with any of these as you see fit. If we add in an image, we get even more options. To enable or disable design ideas, simply go up to Design in the top ribbon, go to the right-hand side where you'll see a Design Ideas button. You can click on this to deactivate or activate Design Ideas. As you can see, Design Ideas makes it easy to create a head-turning PowerPoint quickly and efficiently with ready-to-go layouts and graphics. We certainly hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that like button and feel free to share. Thank you for taking the time to learn with us today. If you have any questions or would like to connect with a Planet Technologies Learning Strategist, send an email to info@futureproofyourworkforce.com. We'll see you next time.